house is in my way, so just do what I say. Find somewhere else if you can. If you live in Waterloo, I'll tell you what we're gonna do. We'll pull down the high rise and help out these nice guys. They're all mates of mine from school. I might Baird the bulldozer man, with me hard hat and big business plan. We'll send you to Mudgee or Wagga or Buggery. We'll put you wherever we can. But don't try to get in the way. We got it worked out okay. We're pushing through new laws and we've got the police force, so just do whatever I say. I'm Mike Baird, the bulldozer man. I got a big business plan. Your house is in my way, so just do what I say and find somewhere else if you can. Your house is in my way, so just do what I say, for Christ's sake, and find somewhere else if you can.